Where's Philip on this snowy January day in 2008?
Help you?
Philip, what is this called? What's it doing? Say snowing. Is it snowing?
Whoa.
Daddy and Philip are enjoying a snowy day here in Birmingham.
Can we get all the snow off here?
Philip, what is all that stuff called? What's it called?
Tell Mommy what this is, Philip.
What is it? Look at Mommy and tell me.
Philip, look at Mommy and look at Mommy. What is this?
I'm having too much fun. I'll have to send this to our grandparents. Say hi, Nene. Hi, Poppy.
Hi, Mamie. Hi, Poppy.
Hi, Mamie. Hi, Bop Bop. Philip, look at Mommy. Turn around. Say hi, Mamie and Bop Bop. Okay, we're saying hi, Mamie and Bop Bop. We love you. Here we go.